How would I answer an evolution who asked me to explain the existence of vestigial organs and the structures in humans and other animals, which serves no apparent purpose, but say evolution would explain them?
Today we know there are no such things as vestigial or retrogressive organs. That actually comes from a book by Dr. Wiedersheim back in 1895, where he listed 186, supposedly vestigial, meaning a vestige that's no longer useful, or a retrogressive, meaning that it's an organ whose function is being lost over time but has still some function left. And he included things like the little toe and the coccyx and your various glands that today we know are absolutely essential. These would include things like the appendix, and even the little sort of point in your eye that produces sleep at night, and you rub it out in the morning.
Yeah.
He said all those little things that they were no longer needed. But today we now know of a useful purpose for every single one of them, and some of them have more than one purpose. And so in a human, there are no vestigial or retrogressive organs, period. We've even written books on that subject if you're interested in getting into creation literature. However, this was an excuse which was used at one time, and Charles Darwin thought that it was an essential proof of evolution. And so he thought it was, and today we know that there is no such thing. Remember, too, that there is no mechanism in our genetics that would remove an organ that supposedly no longer had a function. There's no mechanism to remove it, excise it from the DNA. And I would point out that simply because we don't know what the function of something might be doesn't mean it doesn't have one. It just means we're not smart enough to figure it out yet.
Well, you mentioned your book, Grady, and that's your website on screen, creationworldview.org. You've got a lot of free content there, Grady, which is very kind of you to give away as well. But also you mentioned you've got your book and other materials. So for viewers, go and check out the website, creationworldview.org. Do you put regular blogs and such things up there, Grady?
Well, we have our Facebook page that we put things on. We don't have blogs on the website, but we do have over 100 free articles on a variety of subjects, most of them at a popular level. We also have today now, with the help, by the way, of Revelation TV, over 400 short videos on a wide variety of subjects. They're totally free. Only the items in the bookstore cost anything. And we have electronic downloads as well as hard copy versions. Mm-hmm.